Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send USDC from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresh, this tutorial will have you transferring your assets in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Crypto.com app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, open the app and head to your dashboard. Now, locate your USDC balance. It's usually under the Wallets or Assets section. Tap on it to open your USDC wallet. Next, look for the Send or Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. Once you tap that, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial, so switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Open Trust Wallet, go to your USDC wallet, and tap the Receive button to copy your wallet address. Don't worry, it's a long string of letters and numbers, but just copy it exactly as it appears. Back in Crypto.com, paste that address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of USDC you want to send. Remember to double-check everything. Crypto transactions are irreversible. You'll also see a fee estimate, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. In 2025, network fees for USDC on the Ethereum or Solana blockchain might be lower, but always verify. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll need to approve the transaction with your app's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. After that, sit tight. Transactions usually take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. And just like that, your USDC should appear in your Trust Wallet. Always check your transaction history in both apps to ensure everything went smoothly. A pro tip: use this method for smaller amounts first to get comfortable. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.